Please. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Sit with your notebooks. Open your notebooks, everyone. Revision notebook first for the tables. As you know that we are writing the tables also in the notebook. So take out your revision notebook first. First we will write. Yesterday we have done two tables, right? Table of which two tables we have done yesterday?
12 and 13.
12 and 13. So what do you think? Which will be the next two tables?
14 and 15.
14 and 15.
14 and 15. Dheer, turn on your camera, please. So open everyone your notebooks, revision notebooks, and start writing. First, we write table of 14. You have to tell me the answer because I don't know what is the table of 14. You have to give me the answer. Assume that the teacher doesn't know anything. We have to give her the answer. We have to teach her. Okay? I don't know anything. You have to teach me. 14 multiplied by 1 equals to 14 ones are
14.
14. Very smart kids. 14 twos are
28.
28. Excellent. Please write it in your notebooks. I request everyone. Dheer, please turn on your camera. 14 threes are
32.
42.
14 threes are
42.
42, not 32. 14 fours are
56.
56.
56. 14 fives are
70.
70. This much is clear to you all till 14 fives are?
Yes.
Okay. What will come next? 14 six are
84.
81.
84.
84.
Very good. 14 sevens are
98.
98.
14 sevens are 98. Diva, you have learned the tables? Yes or no, Diva?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And then 14 eights are
112.
112.
112. 102. Oh, sorry. Yes, 112. Sorry. 112. And 14 nines are
126.
126.
126. 14 tens are 140. When I am listening the voice, the more of the students, those who are speaking, one is Arav Hapani, Pragyan, and Arush also giving me some of the answer. Mohammad Momin is also giving me some of the answers. What about the others? Moin Kuledi, you are 4 minutes late in the class. Please note the class timings. If you are late in the class, you will suffer. Teacher will not suffer. 14 ones are 14. Speak after me.
14 ones are 14.
14 twos are 28.
14 ones are 28.
28.
14 threes are 42.
14 threes are 42.
14 fours are 56.
14 fours are 56.
14 fives are 70. Moin Kuledi, this you have to write in the revision notebook.
70.
14 six are 84.
14 are 84.
14 sevens are 98.
14 sevens are 98.
Diva, speak and sit properly. Diva, speak, beta. 14 sevens are 98.
14
14 sevens are 98.
14 eights are 112.
14
14 nines are 126.
14 are 126.
14 tens are 140.
14 are 140.
So can I erase it from the board?
Yes,
Okay, listen my one thing, students. In case if you're not able to see my board or my voice is not coming, anything disturbance in the internet, please let me know. Okay? Now go to the table of 15. Just a minute. Write table of 15 students. giving you 1 minute time to complete, 2 minutes time to complete it. Then I will write the answers. I'm not writing the answers right now of the table of 15. I'm giving you a time to complete. Please complete.
Ma'am, can I
Completed.
Write it in your notebooks fast.
Ma'am, written.
Who?
Dhvani.
Okay, excellent. You are telling about now or previous?
Now, ma'am, now.
Just now you have written.
Yeah.
Okay, let everyone give a 2 minutes time to complete this table of 15. Then we will write the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Vignesh, you are late in the class. What happened?
No, my light was gone. I said ma'am also, but you didn't listen.
Okay, please stable your camera and sit properly. Dheer, you are coming and going, coming and going. What is the problem? Pritika, turn on your camera. Again, this is happening, Pritika, with you, that you are keeping your camera off. Pritika, turn on your camera. Let me take the attendance, students. Then please write table of 14 and 15, those who are joining now, in your revision notebook.
Written.
Done?
Yes.
Done, ma'am, both table.
Pritika, again now I am warning you, don't keep your camera off. Done? Table of 15, can we write? Can I write it on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Manza,
Yes, ma'am. 15.
15 twos
30.
30.
15 threes are 45.
Very good.
15 fours
15
are
fours are
60.
excellent. 15 fives are 15 six are
90.
90. 15 sevens are 105.
135.
Very good. 135. 15 tens are 150. Means you all, it seems that you all are learning tables also, right?
Yes,
Yes. Keep learning, because without tables you will not able to do division also, and no multiplication. There are several other methods also for multiplication and division, but this is the traditional method which we are learning. वो तो आपको टेबल से ही करना ही होगा. Whichever the method we have learned, row and column method, wahan bhi there also we are learning the tables and using the tables. So multiplication without tables we will not able to do. Then what happened? Ultimately you have to come on the addition. And when you are growing up, you are going from 4 to 5, 5 to 6 in the grades, you have to learn the multiplication also. Am I clear to you all? Okay. Can I erase the board now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So 2 tables we have done today. Please prepare 2 tables for the next day, 16 and 17, and come in the class. Same way we will write. Yes.
Ma'am, I will send you the email for recording.
Yeah, I will send you. Yesterday there was some work, so I have not able to send you. I will send you today. Okay?
I have not attended the yesterday class. So,
You have also sent the mail, na?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll check and revert you. Only yesterday's class, na?
या तो फिर आपका फोन लेके मैं
Reddy, mute your mic, please. And please sit properly. You are not visible to me. And Diva, you are where? Okay. Traveling. You have notebooks with you. Are you writing in your notebook?
No, ma'am.
So why? How you will attend the class then, bacha? This is just listening in the maths. Will not be sufficient for you. Take screenshots and please write when you reach. Okay, now move to the multiplication sums. Okay, so as you know that we have done 3-digit multiplicand and 1-digit multiplier. Then we have done 2-digit multiplicand and 2-digit multiplier. What are you guessing now? What will be our next step?
3-digit multiplication. 3-digit multiplier.
Yes, 3-digit multiplicand and 3-digit multiplier. So, are you all ready with the steps and all?
Now I know how to do.
So, write the heading. Write the heading. multiplication of a three-digit.
In revision notebook.
No, now in maths notebook. Multiplication of a three-digit number by a. My cursive is understood to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
By a three-digit number.
Ma'am, maybe
Yes.
in this we have to put 2 zeros.
2 zeros, yeah.
Because I've done this before.
We have done in the beginning only.
Yes,
Why?
yes,
You all remember that I have started the 4 operations in the beginning.
Yeah.
Yes.
In the month of April and in the month of June, we have done all the 4 operations. Additions, subtraction. This is the reason why I have done 4 operations in the beginning, because multiplication, division will come in the step by step in all the chapters. That's the reason I have started the operation first. And this chapter is basically depend on the multiplication and division only. Okay. Now, after learning in the beginning, it is more comfortable for you to learn in this chapter, right? Multiplication of a three-digit number by a three-digit number. Okay, let's start. I will explain you first. 328 multiplied by 314. So what you do is, first you have to take the 4, multiply it with all the 3 multiplicand numbers. So 4 8s are, who will tell me what is 4 8s are?
Ma'am, 32, 3, 2 will down and 3 will carry over.
32. Here you have joined now.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your regular problem going on, bacha? Is there someone there near to you?
Ma'am, my network issue was there.
Is someone there near to you?
Yes.
Please hand over the call to that person, whether father or mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Here, please hand over, bacha. Students, please start doing it. I will explain you. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. इसका ना नेट चालू नहीं हो रहा था, अभी भी चालू हुआ है.
Ma'am, this is the problem every day, not only for today. I am telling you, this is every day happening. She's coming and going, no response in the class. Just for attending and giving the attendance will not be sufficient for her, ma'am.
मैम आपसे टाइम से होगी, पर आज का नेट में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी.
मैम, अब जो मैं करा चुकी, क्या वो कवर कर पाएगी?
हाँ, नहीं कर पाएगी.
ठीक है मैम, नेक्स्ट टाइम से ध्यान रखिए. नेट इश्यू है, क्लास आधा घंटा पहले से तैयारी करना शुरू कर दे बच्चा. तो these steps, if a child will take, no, the child will be more like responsible about her classes.
Okay.
Okay. So children, we carry on. 4 8s are
4 8s are 32.
32. So 3 will be go
32.
up and 2 will be down. 4 2s are
4 2s are
8. 8 plus 3
8.
11.
3 8 plus 9 10 11. 1 will be up and 1 will be down. 4 3s are
12.
12 plus 1
13.
30. Now
13.
this is 314. So when you expand 314, 300 plus 10 plus 4. So you have done the multiplication with the 4. Now you have to do the multiplication with the 10. So instead of multiplying with the 10, we multiply with the 1. So this 0 will come here. Am I clear? Why 0 is coming?
Yes, sir.
So now you multiply with the 1. 1 8s are 8.
8.
2 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. Now we are multiplying with the 300. But we multiply, write the 2 zeros of 300 and multiply with the 3. 3 8s are, now these carryovers I will erase so that you will not get confused. And this is also just 3 8s are again
24.
24. 2 here and the 4 will be here. 3 2 is 6 plus 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. 3 3 is 9. And you now add them. So these, you know, this is multiplicand. Please write multiplicand, multiplier, and last answer will be, answer in the multiplication is called what? Product. So 2, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the 10, 10,000. It will be 1,02,992. Got it? Put the comma also in the answer.
Yes.
Product. 3-digit sum is clear. 3-digit multiplicand and 3-digit multiplier. Students, yes or no?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Why did you put it as 0?
What?
I didn't understand. Why did you put 0 instead of 1 over here?
Instead of
1 when you were expanding that.
See, this is 314. When you are multiplying any number with 314, first you are multiplying with the 4.
4.
Right? So you did with the 4. Then you have to multiply with the 10, not with the 1. You have to multiply with the 10. So when we are multiplying any number with the 10, you know the 0 will come in the answer at the back. So
yes,
you have written the 0 directly, and now you are multiplying with the 1. If I say 328 multiplied with the 10, what you will do? 328 ones are 328 and 0 of the multiplier.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
can you check?
If we not put 0, we have to do 10 8s then 2s 10 3s.
हाँ, अगर आप 0 नहीं लगाए, yes.
Ma'am, if one
ये 1 नहीं है बच्चा. This is not 1 only. This is 10.
10.
Yes. This is 1 tens. How many tens? 1 tens. And 1 tens equals to 10.
10.
Yeah, because it is a tens place. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place. This is 110, and 110 means 10. And when 10 will be multiplied any number, the answer will be this.
Excuse me,
Okay, ma'am, if any number is in this, would be one, so we will put 0.
Yes, next wait. Yes, yes, Dhwani.
Instead of 314, if it would be any other number, then also we will.
If it is 2, so it is 2 tens. So you are multiplying with the 20. So first 308 multiplied with the 2 and write the 0. Then it will come directly. Got it?
The between number, in the between number we have to put 0.
See, you are not understanding, Dhwani, about the places. 4 is 4 ones, right? And when 4 ones will be a single digit number. 4 ones. 4 ones means 4. 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 ones means 4. So 4 से जब आपने इसको multiply किया, your answer is this. Now 110. 110 से multiply कर रहे हो means you are multiplying with the 10.
Okay, ma'am, I understood.
And you directly wrote the 0 and multiplied this 1 with all the 3 numbers.
It is about
300. Yes. 300 से multiply कर रहे हो. When you are multiplying any 3 numbers with the 300. So first you write the zeros of the 300 at the back and then multiply it with the 3 only.
Okay, mama,
Understood? It's a very simple thing. That don't assume that these are the numbers 1 3 1 4. No, these are with the place values. Yes, Reddy, mute your mic, please. Any doubt to any child now? Yes, Shivani.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, we have to put 0. So this is compulsory. We have to put 0.
Yes, compulsory because I told you, no, the steps why the zeros are coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase the board?
Ma'am, if we forgot to write 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So
अगर आप zeros लगाना भूल जाओगे तो it will be 328. Answer will be wrong. Right? Because as I told you, इसमें forgot का chance नहीं है. This is your step because you are multiplying with the 10, 1, 10. And 1 10 से multiply करने के लिए this is directly you are putting 0. Now you are multiplying with the 1. Make your steps easier. And then 300. 300 के 2 0 हैं वो आपने लगा दी. Now you are multiplying with the 3. Got it? Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will erase the complete board.
Ma'am.
Yes, please speak. Speak.
Ma'am, say I do this and this is right.
Let me check, Asta. Asta, it is not visible to me, but it seems that you have done something. Our digits are not visible to me, and I will not able to check the answer instantly. I have to see the steps. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can we do more practice?
Yes,
729. Second sum, please. 729 multiply with 436. Multiply it, students, and tell me the steps. Do it fast. First, we multiply with which number?
6 with 9.
6 with the 9. What will be the answer? 6 9s are here.
6 9s are 54.
54. Very good. 5 will be go up and 4 will be down. 6 2s are Earth. 6 2s are
Yes, ma'am. 12.
12 plus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
12 plus 5. 5 is there, no? The carryover.
17.
17. 6 7s are Pritika.
42.
42 plus 1.
43.
43. Now you have done with the 6 ones, all the 3 numbers. Now you are going to multiply with 3 tens. 3 tens means?
27.
3 10 means 27.
Ma'am, 0.
Arey beta, 3 tens with 30. I'm talking about 3 tens. 30. 3 tens. 30. मैं 10 10 10 के notes दूंगी आपको तो it will make what? 30.
Multiply by 9. I am multiply by 9. 3 9s are 27.
अच्छा वो तो होगा step next है. So we are multiplying with the 3 tens. 30 से multiply करने के लिए एक 0 लगानी पड़ेगी. Now you can multiply with 3 only. Clear? Now you please remove these carryovers so that you will not get confused. 3 9s are
27.
So 2 will be here and the 7 will be here. 3 2s are
6.
6 plus 2
8.
8.
8.
3 7s are
21.
21. Now you are multiplying with 400 or any numbers with multiply with 400. We first put the zeros of the 400. Yes, Jignesh. 4 9s are 4. I am removing these carryovers. 4 9s are.
Ma'am, answer is 3,40,000.
Don't give me the answer. 4 9s are 36.
36.
4 2s are
8.
8 plus 3.
11.
11. 1 will be here and 1 will be here. 4 7s are
28.
28.
29. Please add this now. 7 plus 7.
14.
14. 8 9 10 11 12. 12 plus 6 18. 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 and it is the correct answer, students.
Yes.
Yes.
3,17,844. Clear? Write the product.
Ma'am, I have said, but at least I was saying this only.
Okay, good. And please write that this is multiplicand and this is multiplier in all the sums. Then only the habit will come into you. First number is multipliers, multiplicand.
Is correct.
Second is multiplier. Answer is product. These three terms you have to write in each sum. Till here, any doubt to any child? Concept of writing the zero is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
when we was doing table of 6 in this multiplication, we have put their carryover. So why we erase when we do?
You can put it also, because now I was putting the carryovers of the next number, so I don't want to get myself confused. And if you are clear that these are the carryovers of the previous number, either you can cross it or you can keep some idea that okay, you will not get confused.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you
I thought
stuck in between.
okay.
No,
Now
ma'am, you are clearly visible.
so here I don't want to confuse myself, so I erased. If you don't want to erase, it's up to you.
Ma'am, you said we will play quiz.
Huh. We will play quiz also. This is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child?
No.
No, ma'am.
No? So can I give you a quiz link now today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to give you a quiz link in the chat box. It is the 7 minutes quiz because we have 5 plus 2, 7 minutes only. So you need to complete it in the given timing. And as soon as I give you the link in the chat box, please enter soon. And I am going to send you the worksheet based on the 3-digit multiplicand and the 3-digit multiplier. Children, quiz link is already posted in the chat box. Please enter. I'm going to present the link or the present screen here also to you. Please enter fast. My screen is visible to you all. I'm going to start the link fast, please. Can I start? Are you all able to enter and do? Okay. Just pay the little concentration. These are very, very simple questions they are asking from you. Only required the concentration and attention. Fourth one, many of you are doing wrong. Please pay just a little attention. One child has done 2 into 3 is also wrong. See the signs also. See it, everything. They are very simple questions. 4 minutes left, students. Try to complete it fast. Jignesh is on the top, then Astha, then Hare, then Pragyan, then Moin Kuledi, then Diva, then Lakshadola, then Dhwani. See, students, a single minute can also change your scores. Please see the timings and do. Two minutes are left. Try to be quick and answering in the mental maths questions. I don't know this question, fourth question, as many of you have done wrong. Only 2 minutes left. One minute is left. Time is, please do it fast. 1 minute. Very good, Astha. Doing top. Then Jignesh, then Pragyan, then Mohammad Momin. Then Hare is the fourth position. Mohammad Momin had shifted to the third position. Congratulations, Mohammad. Okay. Can I end up the quiz?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Take 1 more minute and then we will stop. You can easily see your position, students. According to your position, it shows that you need to improve. Very good, Shivani. At the fourth position. Pragyan shifted to 6th now.
And I'm in 7th.
Some mistake you have done and then you come up down. Okay, it's 10:06 now. I need to end up the quiz.
Mohammed in 2nd rank.
You can see your scores on my scoreboard and see the winners. Congratulations to the winners. Asta first, Mohammed second, and Jignesh third. Congratulations to the students.
My 2 sums were left and you ended the quiz.
Yeah, but I need to bound with the timings also, no?
Yes. Ma'am, you ended and I got 60.
Okay.
Only 3
students-
sums were left.
But students, you need to see the time limit also. Each sum is having some time limit, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Within that time limit, if you finish it, you will really
I joined quiz late, that's why.
Okay, no problem. Next time we'll give you enough timing to do this. Okay, students? And this will improve your mental maths calculation.
Ma'am,
Okay.
each question can have 10 seconds, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 1 minute.
Yeah. Thank you, students.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, have a nice day.
in this quiz there was addition.